Hello, honorable members. Welcome to the parliamentary session on COVID-19 relief and adverse effect on the common people. So, as we know, the corona pandemic has severely affected the everyone's life, directly or indirectly. School students, college student, businessmen, labor class, whatnot. Everyone is badly affected, directly or indirectly. Okay, and we know one more thing: the government has tried hard to fight this epidemic, this pandemic. The government has made a number of policies that directly and indirectly benefiting the common people. But of course, there are some shortcomings in it, which are even today. So that's why we are going to discuss the topics here. So I'm asking to Shreya, please open the statement in favor of government. Yes, Shreya.
I'm clearing out some of the steps taken by government to tackle this pandemic COVID-19. First of all, the government has done many steps in every sector, whether it is technology, informative, medical, and whatnot. The government has introduced Arogya Setu mobile application to educate citizens about novel coronavirus to make them informed. Even I am also having that. Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, he is the Union Human Resource Development Minister. He launched a web portal to monitor and record initiatives by the ministry to combat COVID-19 with knowledge and innovation. And the last date for filing income tax returns for the financial year 2018 to 19 has also been extended till 30 June 2020. Plus, the interest rate on delayed income tax payment has been decreased from 12% to 9%, which is a huge step. The deadline for filing GST returns has also been extended, and for late submission, there is no interest on penalty on that. And government has also set up 72 centers across the country for diagnosis and treatment of COVID-19. And WHO ने estimate करा था कि इंडिया के बेड्स कम पड़ रहे हैं, तो गवर्नमेंट हैज टेकन अ स्टेप्स जिसमें उन्होंने 20 more than 20,000 रेलवे कोचेस को आइसोलेशन वार्ड्स में कन्वर्ट करा है. मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस भी पर पर्सन ₹50 lakhs for to fight against this coronavirus has been released. And we all know that I think in March, our honorable prime minister has declared the 21 days lockdown, that is complete lockdowns. All schools, gyms, malls, clubs, hotels, community halls were shut down, and the prime minister announced a complete 21-day lockdown for the entire nation, banning people to move out of their houses. This act thus severely restricted the community spread of the virus. And yes, that's it.
Okay. Okay. So now I am calling. Okay. Thank you, Shreya, for the opening statement. Yes. Now I am calling Manya, opposition team, the denominator groups. Yes, Manya, please.
Thank you, sir, for this opportunity. In March 2020, the disease epidemic COVID-19 turned into a pandemic, creating terror as it spread. The most destructive effects of COVID-19 in India have not been the result of the disease. I'd like you to note this, but the nature of the government's response. The most stringent lockdown in the world destroyed India's economy and forced millions into poverty and hunger, but still did not control virus transmission. As the government then lifted the lockdown, more unfortunate outcomes relating to skyrocketing COVID cases and severe economic distress were seen, all pinpointing to several government failures. Before I move on, I would firstly like to highlight that the ruling party has made the HRD ministry into the education ministry. They seriously have no idea for their actions and claim to be successful. What is this? Now, continuing forward. In dealing with the pandemic, many countries, including India, followed the pattern observed in Wuhan, China, involving strict lockdowns, controlling on mobility, economic and social activity, and requirements of social distancing. In India, a very stringent version of this strategy was adopted relatively early in the onset of the infection and also very abruptly, with only 4 hours of notice given to the population. Unfortunately, this failed to take into account the specific socio-economic context and characteristics of life and work of most people in India, which made the consequences of this strategy both more damaging and less effective. हमारी रूलिंग पार्टी ने हम सबकी जिंदगी को खिलवाड़ टॉम एंड जेरी का एपिसोड मान रखा है, जब चाहे वो कर दे. The lockdown was abruptly imposed when there were relatively few COVID-19 positive cases, mostly confined to very specific regions and hotspots. The most extreme weapon that could be used against the pandemic was used first, with no strategy in reverse in case the virus continued to spread. Even the most ignorant of people keep a plan B. Seems like our government didn't even think twice for anything. Eventually, when such an aggressive lockdown became unsustainable because of the impact on the economy and livelihoods, the government was forced to lift restrictions precisely when it had become more dangerous to do so, resulting in a sudden spike of ever-flowing cases. The purpose of a lockdown is not to completely suppress or eradicate the virus. It can't do that, but to buy time. Since it delays the spread of the virus, it allows the government to take measures to deal more effectively with the pandemic once the lockdown is lifted. However, the central government's actions on these fronts were limited and extremely inadequate for the purpose. In some cases, it even thwarted or made more difficult the efforts of the state government. Very limited funds, less than 0.04% of the GDP, was made available for immediate public health expenditure, and less than half of that was distributed among states, and that too in a rather arbitrary manner. The micro, small, and medium enterprises, also known as MSMEs, are literally the backbone of all Indian sectors and are often engaged in the manufacturing and export activities. They are the two key drivers of the Indian economy. I would like the parliament to note two key drivers of the Indian economy. Today, almost all MSMEs are out of
Yes.
action due to
Now,
the previous
Vidushi.
lockdown.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir,
Vidushi.
can I please have just 1 minute?
No, time is over. Yes, Vidushi.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, Vidushi.
Okay, sir. Lockdown was the demand of that time. Corona was very deadly.
Vidushi.
Were dying in huge numbers. So the government decided to impose lockdown to save the
Sir,
lives.
please just give me 1 minute. I just want to end my speech.
No. Yes, Vidushi.
Okay, sir.
सामान्य को complete
So the
करने दो।
government
One
decided
minute.
to impose the
सामान्य को
lockdown
complete
to
करने
save
दो।
the lives of the people
Sir,
of the
please
Okay.
let
country.
me
Okay.
finish.
Yes, Manya. Just give me 1 minute, Vidushi. Yes, Manya.
Okay, sir.
Quickly
Today,
complete.
almost all MSMEs are out of action due to the previous lockdown, choking all production activities at major firms across sectors. There are several reports that indicate how MSMEs are reeling under the crisis and have exactly no money to pay their employees. From leaders to experts and industry bodies, everyone has appealed to the government to increase its relief package for the MSE sector, which contributes to over 30% of India's GDP. But despite several reforms and relief measures, MSMEs are still struggling to keep their businesses alive. I question the ruling party. How do you sit still when the very foundation of this nation is crumbling apart? How do you plan on sustaining the years of struggle and sweat put in by our forefathers, the freedom strugglers, and every common man? And I am sure that India wants to know this too. I would like to end by saying that the Indian experience of COVID-19 has been disastrous, even before the disease had reached a peak. And this is largely due to the central government's response, which has been waning in several crucial respects.
Yes. Now time is
major-
over. Yes. Now, Vidushi. Yes.
sir.
Now.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Vidushi.
Okay, sir. So the government said to my country.
Yes. Vidushi.
Okay, sir. So the government decided to impose lockdown to save the lives of the people. क्योंकि जान है तो जहान है.
Yay.
Yes.
During the lockdown, the government made sure that the people become sorry, sir. So the government decided to impose lockdown to save the lives of the people. क्योंकि जान है तो जहान है. To track the speed of coronavirus spread, the government launched a mobile app named Arogya Setu that can, with the help of two mobile function, location and Bluetooth, can help the government to identify the hotspots of coronavirus spread. The central and state government made sure that the sanitization is done at required places. To keep the essential supplies open for the people, the government decided to allow the opening of grocery and medical stores. The government set up the chain of 20 lakh retail shops called Suraksha stores across India, which provide daily essentials. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal ji launched a web portal to monitor and record initiative by ministry to combat COVID.
She is not done yet.
So I can raise my point in between.
Yes. Quickly.
Sir, according to the report of Oxycam, India has the fourth lowest health budget, and she's saying that that the 20 crore budget was helped in. सर उसने सर मदद करी थी कि देश के विकास हो कहीं पे और लोगों के वो भूख मरे और सर बेड्स आए सर हॉस्पिटल में, पर लेके सर कहाँ कुछ हुआ.
सर मैंने कहा था 20 लाख रिटेल शॉप.
पहले सुन लो फिर बोलना.
Yes.
मैंने बोला 20 लाख रिटेल शॉप.
इतनी हेल्प थी तब भी तो इतने लोग चल के घर गए ना अपने, उनको भी कितनी परेशानी हुई, उसमें तो कुछ नहीं किया.
उसमें भी आ रहे हैं, उसमें भी आ रहे हैं.
उसमें भी आया लेकिन आप सुनो तो पहले सुन तो लो. मैंने 20 लाख रिटेल शॉप्स की बात करी थी.
Yes.
अरे यार very good.
कोरोना
Monitor and record the initiative by ministry to combat COVID-19 with YUKTI. The finance minister announced 18,000 crore tax refunds to businesses and 1.70 lakh crore package to wake the COVID-19 outbreak. To make sure that the poor people get the supply of required food items, the government distributed ration kits to needy people. Government developed the infrastructure required to fight COVID-19. New hospitals were developed, existing facilities were upgraded, and private hospitals were also roped in to handle the increasing number of patients. Isolation facilities were developed at every required place. Government arranged special Vande Bharat flights to bring people of our country back from foreign countries and also ran special trains to help migrant laborers to reach their native place. Most importantly,
You are saying that you helped migrate laborers, but still there were people who were walking 6,000 kilometers.
lost their family.
There have been people who have been traveling with sick people without any support.
I want to say that what was the need of bringing people back from other countries? They were not dying there. And it caused
they were
a lot
stuck
of
there. They were stuck
They were
there.
stuck there.
They were stuck there, but they were stuck there. But like here in India, they're also
They were not dying. इसका क्या मतलब है? वो वहाँ मर नहीं रहे थे, इसका क्या मतलब है?
पर वो वहाँ पर मर नहीं रहे थे ना, वो वहाँ पर रह सकते थे.
Settle out.
वापस लाने का सीधा मतलब ये है कि आप कोरोना पॉजिटिव केसेस इंडिया में ला रहे हो और इंडिया में स्प्रेड भी
one by one.
क्वारंटीन करते थे उन लोगों को.
हाँ तो उन्होंने वहाँ पर रह रहे हैं. क्वारंटीन करने के बाद भी केसेस
Yes. One by one. Yes. One by one. Yes. Manya. Yes. Quickly.
Due to centralization, yes, I agree that the government did impose flight regulations so that people could travel safely. But still, there were many states who were not wanting flights to land in their state. They wanted that their COVID cases remain low, and yet the central government used the Disaster Managing Act in a complete opposition way, and that was incorrect. What does the supporting team have to say for this? I would like to know that.
Yes. Now, yes, Vidushi.
Yes, sir. Government arranged what? Most importantly, people became aware of virus and they themselves started wearing masks and following social distancing and followed the law and followed the hand sanitization practices. So basically, a habit was developed in public at large. Became aware.
But this is not the correct answer of the question we said. You need to answer that first.
Can you please repeat it?
Yes.
I said that even though the government has imposed regulations so that flights can travel safely, but still many states did not want that people land into their area so that their COVID cases do not increase. But still the central government, using the Disaster Managing Act of 2005, imposed that yes, they have to allow that. And many people were against this. What does the supporting team have to say for this?
Yes.
सरकार ही insensitive है.
Yes, Vidushi. Quickly. Yes, any people from the government? Yes, Shreya.
Their
Vidushi.
speechlessness proves that they have no idea of what's going on.
They don't have any answer for this.
For the government, I would like to say, although the But although it was not allowing, but just Manya just said the immigrants were not allowed to land, but in the same way, the state governments were not even allowing the laborers to come back. They still wanted the cases to be low. What would you say for that? We have helped not only the immigrants, but yes, it took time, but slowly and gradually, we have actually started the trains so that laborers could go. And moreover, the railway department has worked a lot upon it.
But people should have not been moved from their place. They should have stayed where they were, and the supplies should have been provided to them at their place. Cause the travel causes a spread contact between people more, and it can cause COVID like in a faster way.
Sir, I
क्या
think
सारे तो वहीं तो रह जाए
The flights were there. The people were coming from India even after. But they could have stayed there.
Sir.
Many migrant laborers were stuck in the cities away from their families. They wanted to return back to their native place.
That's what I'm saying. If they were stuck there,
Migrants were
Speak one by one. Yes.
Speaker, can I say something?
Yes, Ojas, you were
I'm
saying
saying
something.
if they were stuck there, the basic facilities which are like essential for living beings should have been provided at their place instead of emigrating them from one country
It
to
was
other
already
country.
provided, dear.
provided.
It was provided.
They should have been forced to stay there.
Sir, I think the Sonu Sood worked hard
From their families.
If you can forcefully force a state government to like emigrate people into their own state, then you should have forced the people who were
फोर्स करते फिर तुम आ जाते फोर्स किया अब नहीं करा तुम वैसे भी आ रहे हो
Sir, I think Sonu Sood
स्टेट
worked.
गवर्नमेंट को क्यों फोर्स किया? अगर तुम उन लोगों को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को क्यों फोर्स किया? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट
Yes,
उसकी पावर
please,
होती है नहीं
one by
होती
one. Yes. Please.
एक स्टेट
Honorable members.
Sir, I think.
One minute.
Sir, I want to say only one thing.
1 minute. वन बाय वन बोले क्योंकि इस तरीके से किसी को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है तो वन बाय वन yes मान्य yes you were saying something.
I'd like to state two things. First of all right, you migrated those workers, but statistics show that these trains that were activated are a main cause for the high COVID-19 cases that we have. And then second thing which I'd like to say is that okay, the relief was being provided, but it was being eaten up somewhere in the middle there because statistics show that there were several deaths because of hunger strikes, and this relief was not reaching the immigrants who were requiring this. I'd also like to say that your government is completely caste-based because you were preferring these people who were in foreign countries, you were bringing them back. But the migrants who were not even having daily wages, who were not even being able to earn 2 square meals.
I didn't listen that word. What she said?
The relief necessary.
Dash based. What?
Sir.
Your
Caste based.
Yes.
Oh, really?
बाहर के लोगों की पढ़िए लेकिन जो तुम्हारे इंडिया में हो रही है
Yes, one by one. Yes,
government is not
yes,
caste-based.
yes,
You
yes,
were saying
Shreya.
that government is
Yes,
not
yes,
caste-based,
yes,
then
Miss Shreya. Yes,
Can I say
yes,
something?
खुद को देख सकते हैं
Can I say
I
something?
don't think
yes, one by one.
Can I say something?
Yes, people, please let her speak. Yes, Shreya. Yes, you were saying something.
Sir,
उसने बोला
Yes.
सर उसने बोला कास्ट बेस्ड तो मेरे को मान्य से पूछ रहा है वेयर डिड द कास्ट केम यहाँ पे कास्ट कहाँ
Can I
से
say
आया
something?
नो
सब मुझे ओजस से भी कुछ कहना है
Caste came from BJP, not from.
Oh, really?
No one
Really?
provided
Yes.
Bas, please. Yes.
So, मैं
You were
ओजस
saying.
को रिप्लाई करना चाहूंगी
Yes.
गलत स्टेटमेंट गलत स्टेटमेंट
Yes, Vidushi. Yes.
Wrong.
सर ओजस कह रहा है
काम कर
Yes, 1 minute. Yes, Vidushi,
सर,
you were saying
ओजस
something.
कह रहा है कि जहाँ पे भी माइग्रेंट लेबर्स थे उन्हें वहीं पे उनका प्रोवाइड करवाना चाहिए था सब कुछ एंड दे शुड नॉट ट्रैवल सो सर इससे पूछ रहा है कि इफ इज अवे फ्रॉम हिज फैमिली एंड इज प्रोवाइडेड ऑल नेसेसरी एसेंशियल थिंग्स want to come back to his native place?
Now tell.
Would
You
he
are
want to
comparing an ideal case. You are
पैंडेमिक के लिए तो वही
excuse me,
चीज चाहिए ना यार.
You are comparing.
Gradually change हुआ ना.
You are comparing an ideal case with a normal case. You are comparing a case with a non-COVID when everyone is free and everyone has their own.
Do you even know the population of India? हर चीज gradually होगी.
अरे तो आइडियली थोड़ी सोचोगे, पूरी कंट्री का सोचोगे ना.
135 crore is the population of India.
And moreover, all the decisions are made state-wise.
Season and you can go into the garden and pick up flowers.
What
It's
did
not like that. It's a global pandemic.
He's talking, sir, he's talking baseless. He's going away from the
Yeah, he's
topic.
going away from the topic.
You are not answering
global
the
pandemic.
question.
There is a
Yes, please,
global
please
pandemic.
settle down.
There is a
Please,
responsibility on
please,
everyone.
please. Yes, please
Sir.
settle down. Yes, please settle down. Yes, now
Sir.
I am calling. Yes, now I am calling Dhruv Raghav from the opposition team, the denominator team. Yes, please, Dhruv Raghav, you have 3 minutes for the same. Yes.
Sir, what is their question?
Okay.
Sir, because they're asking 3-4 questions at a single time. They don't have a clarified their question.
Okay, and you can ask any questions to them. You have 3 minutes for the same. If you want to
Yeah.
say something, yes, you can say right now.
Okay, sir. In a recent news, Indian channel was shut it down for 48 hours. Sir, 48 hours for just criticizing RSS and BJP. And sir, the news channel only said that BJP and RSS are depleting the resources of India and they aren't doing anything to promote India to a global level. So sir, they just said such a simple thing and they criticized the channel and they shut it down the channel for 48 hours. Sir, I want the reason from.
Yes, yes, from the government team.
He's
Anybody?
He's going away from the topic. Our topic was of this pandemic.
I asked the
You
question.
have not understood the topic. The topic was the criticism. It's about the steps taken by government during this pandemic.
You are not able to answer the question, so are going to pandemic. It's a recent news, not 20 years old news or 10 years old news.
The recent news which you are proving is about the news because they haven't provided any specific proof that the RSS and BJP they criticized without any proof, and that is the reason they were shut down. If you were meant to tell that all the news channels are baseless, then the news channels would be shut.
Muslims और काफी parties
One minute,
और काफी
one minute.
caste को criticize करते हैं.
They need a proof
So
to,
you
you
can
need a
shut them
proof
down.
to criticize anything.
This is
Other
democracy.
channels also criticize.
Democracy.
Yeah.
अगर proof नहीं है
Let her
तो
complete.
consideration में नहीं लेना चाहिए.
Let her complete.
Lack of
किसी channel को shut down करने का
The
the
right है.
constitution does not.
This is a democratic
Or just
country.
please let me complete.
Simple and complete.
Yes,
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 we-
Or just I have
Yes.
never denied to the
Yes.
fact that this is not a democratic country. I have never denied to the fact.
Yeah, so
You
are
should
saying if there is
you
no
should
proof,
remember
then
that the other
channel-
news channels
channel
also
channel.
criticize. There is. Okay, let me give an ideal example to you. Okay, someone criticizes you, someone spreads rumors about you. Would you not hate the fact? Would you not try to shut?
So would you go and kill him, or would you completely like eradicate him?
Okay?
What are you saying?
I'm.
yes,
Very
yes,
interesting now.
yes, yes.
So I would like to address to Shreya's question. Shreya
Yes.
asked that how can I accuse this government of being biased and caste-based? I like to tell her that in the modern day, caste is not Kshatriya, priest and all. In the modern day, it is the middlemen, it is high class, it is the lower class people, basically terms on the economy. And you have invested 1 lakh crores in the aviation sector to revive it and to bring back people who are already well-to-do families, who are still not facing as much as a threat as lower class people have. Had you applied all of that money for the lower class people, you could have benefited immensely. Exponentially, people's lives could have been stopped from being
Okay. So for your kind information, Manya, the government has already released around 30,000 crore in assistance to various sections of the society. Various sections I'm talking about, not the higher, not the lower, not the middle.
But where is that money? I'd like to know that. It is not coming to the people who are basically targeted for it. Then where is it going?
Did you go and check?
And it's obviously
Did you go and check that?
Did you go
Okay,
and
give
check?
me the proof.
Give me
पता नहीं चला।
You give us the
Did
proof.
you-
You give us the proof कि तुमने हो सकता, तुम करप्ट नहीं हो. इसका proof आप लोग दो कि करप्ट नहीं हो.
Okay, let me see. Okay.
Okay.
Nearly 20 crore women Jan Dhan account holder received rupees 500 each in their account, and this is proof. You can check on Google. The total disbursement under the head was 9,930 crore.
But in today's date, is 500 enough to sustain a family for a month? Can you tell me that?
So what do you mean?
Yes,
They were
What do you
given
mean?
food. They were given food. They were given ration. They were given various other things to
The
sustain
basic
their essential life.
provided. The basic amenities were provided.
Yes.
Manya, the
अगर
government
उन्हें
has
basic
released.
amenities provide
Oh,
की
just
गई तो
please
फिर उन्हें
let me
transport
speak.
करने में
I'm not
फालतू के money के
complete
ऊपर
yet.
खर्चा किया गया.
I'm not complete yet.
Things.
उन्हें
Or just let her complete. Or just let her complete.
Ojas will speak.
Ojas complete.
Ojas
One
will
by
speak.
one. One by
Ojas
one.
will speak.
Let
Ojas
her
will speak.
complete.
Let Shreya
Let her complete, then he can speak.
Yes, yes, one by one. And please don't shout. Please don't shout, माननीय सांसदों.
पहले
Yes, don't
जितने
shout.
लोगों ने सहन करा उनका क्या करोगे?
शांत हो
Yes,
जाओ.
yes.
I am not done yet. मेरी बात कुछ बोलना अगर कुछ होगा तो. The government said it. The government
बहुत
has
आएगा,
released.
बोलो तो सही।
बोल रही है.
आप बोलने देंगे?
अरे बोलो बोलो।
The
आप
government
सुन
Yes,
लो,
yes.
आप सुन तो लो, बोलने तो दो.
एक तुम ही
Yes, yes.
बोल लो.
बोलने
बस.
The government has already released 12 million MT of food grains during the April to June quarter under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana amid the COVID-19 crisis. Now did you get?
Are you going to just show the like we spent this on air, this on air? You are not giving the proofs. Where is the proof? हमें कैसे पता कि तुमने उसे spend किया या फिर तुमने उसे अपने घर में spend किया?
Proof, the
It's like
proof can be
मेरे-
found
it's like-
anywhere. If
it's
you
like-
go
it's
to
like-
the statistics show.
मेरे पास मेरे दोस्त के 100 रुपए हैं, मैंने खुद के लिए
already
लिखा, खुद के लिए
mentioned.
खाया, उसके लिए लिए मेरे को नहीं पता.
You yourself give us the
आपने
proof
बोलने
that
के
you
लिए
have
तो
seen
आप लोग
people.
बोल दोगे, लेकिन
The
हुआ
statistics, look at the
तो काम तो आपने
statistics,
किया, काम तो
Ojas,
आपने
look
किया
at the
ना. हमने
statistics.
काम नहीं
One
किया,
second.
काम आपने
Please
किया. आप
settle
देखो.
down. Please settle down. Yes, now I'm calling to yes, Simran. Yes, you have 3 minutes. Yes. Where is Simran?
Yes, sir, I'm
Simran.
here.
Yeah, you have 3 minutes. Yes, you can speak.
Okay. So first I would like to say, बुराई में अच्छाई ढूंढो तो कोई बात बने. बुराई में अच्छाई ढूंढो तो कोई बात बने. अच्छाई में बुराई ढूंढना तो दुनिया की फितरत है. So with this, I would like to
बुराई को
convey the
नजरअंदाज कर दोगे
message
क्या आप? तो
that
बुराई को
all the
नजरअंदाज
steps
कर
that
दोगे
have been
क्या?
initiated. Or just let me complete. Please maintain silence. Yes. So with this, I would like to convey the message that although perfection might not be reached by the government, but yes, the steps have provided a lot of welfare to the people. Let me get straight to the steps. First, the implementation of lockdown, due to which the spread of corona could be stopped due to a great extent, while the other countries suffered a lot in the initial stage
India-
itself. The social
India is
distancing
leading the
and
board of
hygienic
corona
rules.
statistics.
Dhruv, let her speak.
Yes, please.
But
one
if
by
you
one.
look at the initial stage, India was still not leading at that point of time. It's leading at the moment
आगाज
because
से
of the
कुछ-
unlock.
आगाज से कुछ
It's
नहीं होता,
not.
अंजाम से होता है.
Yes,
I
yes,
wanna
yes.
speak.
Yes,
Dhruv, बोलने
yes, yes,
दोगे?
yes, Simran.
चीज है वो
Yes.
तो अब आई है ना, लेकिन जो पहले लोग सफर कर चुके हैं उनका आप क्या करोगे? जितने लोग मर चुके हैं अपनी फैमिली लेके या फिर भूख के मारे.
Apurva and Dhruv, I would like to say that please let me complete first and then you can put up your questions. So I would
Okay,
also like to
complete.
say that tax-related response to the COVID-19 was also excellent of the government. Under the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme, the people who could not pay tax, the tax interest was reduced. Only 9% tax should be paid to the people who cannot pay the tax. No penalty should be levied or no prosecution happen and can be sanctioned against the people who do not tax. Moreover, for food-related response, 2/3 of the population was covered by the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana. Under this scheme, everyone, I repeat, everyone in the rural areas got 5 kilograms of wheat, rice and 1 kilogram of pulse for free. for free. Women in 83 million families below the poverty line cover.
Let me speak.
Excuse me, can I
Speaker?
raise a point? Can I raise a point?
Just wait a minute. Yes, Simran. Yes, continue.
Okay, sir. Women in 83 million families below the poverty line covered under the Ujjwala scheme got LPG cylinders for free for 3 months. And for healthcare related responses, our finance minister has announced insurance over rupees 50 lakhs for healthcare workers, which means any healthcare workers, be it the cleaners working in the hospitals or the nurses or the doctors who are in the emergency wards, were assured of a 50 lakh insurance if they were infected by corona. Moreover, in lockdown 5.0,
लेकिन जितने डॉक्टर्स को सैलरी नहीं मिल रही काम करने के बाद भी
let
उनका
me
क्या होगा?
complete, or just you'll be given a chance to question me. Just you'll be given a chance to question me.
सैलरी कट हो रही है उसका क्या?
Or just you'll be allowed to question me only after I complete.
Yes, or just please let her complete. Yes. Continue, Simran. Yes.
The lockdowns were always implemented in phases and not in one go. Looking at the conditions of the economy and the degrading conditions of the laborers and the people, the lockdown removed the unphases.
Let her speak.
Please let me complete, Manya. The lockdown was removed in phases in the non-containment zones. Excluding all of this, Vande Mataram mission was initiated for the Indian immigrants who were stayed outside, and moreover, the laborers who were suffering due to the pandemic were sent to home with social distancing with all the precautions.
Sir?
Yes,
Sir,
yes,
The
yes.
time
I
is
want
over
time.
3 minutes.
Yes, Simran, your time is up. Yes,
Sir, I
now,
want time.
yes, for
So
what?
I would like to
Sir,
continue
sir,
speaking
sir,
for
sir,
one
sir.
more minute.
Yes.
So I would like to continue speaking for one more minute.
Yes,
I would like to ask a
now,
question.
Please
I
let
would like to
Simran
raise a
yes,
speak.
point, sir.
now
please
I would like
orders,
to ask a question,
orders
Mona.
opposition team.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
please
Yes.
let
Sir,
Simran
So
sir,
I
speak.
want to
sir,
still
Please
speak
let
for
her
1 minute. I want to
Please let-
complete this.
now I have been given a chance
Yes,
to
yes.
finish it up.
So I
1
still
minute.
want to speak.
I've
No,
been
1 minute.
earlier.
1
I
minute.
wanted to speak, but
Please
No
let
chance.
Simran speak.
I was
No more chance.
1 minute.
It's my
Yes.
chance now.
Please.
Yes, I'm
Simran,
giving
give
you
chance to me.
1
Now it's
minute.
my
1
chance.
minute.
Please.
1 minute. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Yes, Simran Sahu. Yes, quickly. Cover it up. Yes,
Yes,
quickly.
sir. Excluding everything, we look at this. Rupees 20 lakh crore relief fund was initiated, and also rupees 1.75 lakh crore for elderly and women was initiated. Above all of this, we also know in the news that the LAC tension was going on through all this period between the China and India border. But still, the government has effectively managed both the crisis of the pandemic series and the LAC tension. I would rest my case here and ask the opponent to raise questions.
Yes. Now I was saying आप इतनी schemes के नाम तो बता रहे हो, पर ठीक है
Yes.
हमने मान लिया आपकी सारी schemes ने काम किया, पर आप ये बता सकते हो जितने भी आपके political leaders हैं क्या आपका उनके ऊपर control नहीं है? वो जितने भी
I mentioned at the starting, her scheme ka
in the earlier 1 or 2 weeks there have been many rape cases, and the political leaders and all these people are like political government officers, and they are committing they come on the like to the family of others rape case. They commented to the family that अच्छा हुआ मतलब वो अच्छा हुआ कोरोना से नहीं मरी वरना तो पैसे भी नहीं मिलते. So is it a right sentence for your like government or officers to say that? Don't you have any control on
Yes,
them?
any reply from the government side?
A part of RSS also said that the girl Avara.
So,
What are your views on this?
What? Please give
Yes,
a time.
Actually,
Sir,
yes.
my
once
views
again,
on first this
actually,
was
yes.
on a
1 minute.
point,
I guess
notice में भी तो लूटा है सबको।
I guess these questions are out of the topic, which are
Yes.
raised by the audience.
Yes, sir.
So I request him to
I would
not
like
to
to
put
raise
up.
a
but
question within the
but on the
topic.
hospital point, sir,
Yes.
doctors ने भी तो कितने लूटा है ना।
Any other questions that are add to the point to the topic, I would be most obliged to answer those questions.
You are talking about COVID warriors. So can you tell जितने भी COVID warriors पे पत्थर फेंके गए हैं तो उसके मतलब
Yes,
जितने भी लोगों
look, the one who is asking that relevant to the topic, I I would always say that I will oblige to answer the questions that are related to the topic. But this is not related to the topic. Okay, fine.
I'm asking a
Yes,
question
yes,
related to
Dhruv
topic.
Raghav. Yes, you were saying something. Yes, Dhruv Raghav. Any questions
Uh,
to him? Yes.
Okay.
Sir, she said about 50 about a 50 lakhs package for the doctors. But sir, I want to say something that doctors are not getting any salaries and nurses also. So sir, what are their views on it?
Yes.
How they are
Any
working towards it?
reply from the comment
Okay.
side? Yes.
Yes, I have an answer to this. I have an answer to this question proposed by Dhruv. I would like to say that the salaries that are not paid to the doctors and nurses are not in all over the country. The package that I mentioned above has already been implemented to 2 million doctors all over the country. And as we know that this country is not a small country. The country has a population of 135 million. Of course, corruption is there, but it will take gradual time for the salaries to get paid for the
जिन डॉक्टर्स को पैसे नहीं मिल रहे हैं उनको इससे तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा उनके साथ वाले को मिल रहे हैं या नहीं, उनको अपना घर चलाना है, दूसरे का घर चलाना है।
आप बोलोगे एक रात में सब हो जाएगा, ऐसा होता है क्या कहीं पे? टाइम दो ना, थोड़ा टाइम दो।
जिनको नहीं मिल रहे वो आप बताओ।
आप बोलोगे LSC कंट्रोल करो, आप बोलोगे रेस केसेस कंट्रोल करो, आप बोलोगे सब।
आपको कितना चाहिए? 10 महीने।
Honorable members, please one by one.
amount of time.
Honorable members, one by one. Yes, yes.
Okay,
Order.
ask
Sir, 7
to
months
answer
are gone.
Ajiz's question first.
Yes. Now I am calling. Yes, now I am calling. Shruti. Yes, from the Gold Diggers team. Yes, any statement? Yes, you have 3 minutes for the same. Yes, Shruti Banik.
Yes, sir. I would like
Sir,
to
isn't it
present
the
my
chance of
points.
opposition?
Sir, but opposition.
Yeah. Yes, firstly completed. Yes, quickly. Shruti, quickly.
So in the previous years, we have observed that the pollution in Delhi was quite high. But
Yes, Shruti.
yes, sir. So I'm presenting my points. तो सर पिछले कुछ सालों में हमने ये देखा है कि दिल्ली में काफी पॉल्यूशन था, बट इस लॉकडाउन के वजह से व्हीकल्स कम चले तो पॉल्यूशन काफी
Yes. So you were saying because of the lockdown, pollution has been eradicated, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is your policy, government policy. Very
Yes.
good.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to say.
Yes. Very good.
बीमार हो मुझे
Please let her
तो
speak.
इसमें गलत क्या है? इसमें
Yes,
गलत
please
है,
let her
pollution कम नहीं
speak,
हुआ
let her
है,
complete.
pollution कम नहीं हुआ है,
Yes,
तुम
बिल्कुल।
बताना जरा।
Sir, I want to say
पॉल्यूशन कम
something
हुआ
first.
एक्स्ट्रा फैक्टर्स की वजह से। गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी नहीं थी कि तुम्हारा लॉकडाउन होगा तो पॉल्यूशन
गवर्नमेंट
कम
मैंने
होगा।
कब कहा गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी की वजह
She's
से?
presenting a positive.
Presenting point. She has just started.
Please.
Let her complete.
पॉलिसी तो
देखो,
आपने
देखो,
बोला
तीनों
yes
चीज़
and
के लिए।
no.
Yes.
Yeah,
Shruti
अपना
Banik.
point change
Yes,
क्यों
Shruti
कर रहे हो?
Banik, please
Sir, first I
continue.
want to thank you, Shruti Banik, to give us a point.
Yes.
Thank
Shruti
you so
Banik,
much.
please
Okay.
continue. Yes.
मुझे नहीं बोलना भी।
Shruti Banik, please continue.
यार,
Yes,
चीखते रहते हो।
yes, Shruti Banik.
मुझे भी
Yes,
question-
Shruti
Yes,
Banik.
sir.
Yes,
Dad
yes,
के
please
साथ
continue.
बोलते हैं।
Please continue.
The second point is that there were some social apps which were removed because of the harmful content. And the third point is the PP kit, which is the personal protection kit. Earlier, it was never used in India, and it was never manufactured. But during these days, it has been manufactured and used in India for the proper healthcare of the physics.
No. Continue from that point.
जहाँ से बोला था।
And the fourth one is that during the whole lockdown ऐसा कहीं नहीं हुआ है कि किसी को कोई sufficient चीजें नहीं मिली, सबको sufficient चीजें मिली और सबको उतना ही
मैं कहना चाहूंगा अगर सबको सफिशिएंट चीजें मिली हैं तो लोगों को सड़क पे उतर के 100
Migrants are
हजार
going-
Request the opposition to let her complete. I request the opposition to let her complete. You क्या?
एक minute.
Yes, Shruti, continue. Yes, Shruti,
15
continue.
ये
seconds.
तो gलत point है sir.
Yes,
ये
yes.
बहुत ही
15 seconds
झूठ है,
You
सबसे
can
बड़ा
oppose
झूठ है।
after she
Yes,
completes. You can
yes. Yes, Shruti.
After 15
ये
seconds.
बहुत
After
बड़ा झूठ है।
Yes, Shruti, continue.
15 seconds are still left.
Yes,
She's
Shruti has left.
disconnected.
Yes, okay. Now I'm going to Ojas. Ojas, you have 3 minutes quickly.
Yes, sir.
Ojas, quickly. Yes.
Sir, I'm going to talk about, first of all, I'm going to talk about unemployment. So what I want to say, during this COVID days, the employment rate has been like increased from, it was a 8.8% unemployment rate in India in the when it was recorded in March 2020. But now in September 2020, it has raised to 24%. So that has been a drastically huge change in the like amount of people who are unemployed. I want to point out to government that why didn't they employ them in the fields where they were needed. For in the medical fields, many medical students in the medical colleges,
Sir?
the final year students are given
Let him
are
complete.
allowed to
Let
put
him
small
complete.
Final year
in the
students
final
cannot be put
year
in colleges.
in the final year in the final year medical students are allowed to
Shati आएंगे.
medical students are allowed to treat small diseases for their information and their practice. So those people could have been used during the COVID
Is a
time.
pandemic a small disease?
Can
Can
he
you please
complete?
explain?
But there are
Please.
diseases.
Is a
But
pandemic
but
a
there are
small
small
disease?
diseases which
Yes, please,
Disease
Ojas.
the pandemic.
Yes.
People were not
that
doctors.
you cannot
Doctors.
Sir, please allow
join.
her.
Doctors were.
Settle
Yes,
down.
Sagar,
Yes,
sir.
everybody.
Doctors.
Please,
Please will you
Yes,
let me
Ojas.
speak now?
Guys, they don't
Please will you let me speak now?
Objection.
Please will you
Yes,
let me speak
Ojas,
now?
continue. Yes, yes, Ojas.
Doctors were not free so that they could treat small diseases of people. So in that case, the final year medical student would have been put to a good cause. Now the second thing I'm going to talk about is the crime rate. The crime rate has increased a lot in these lockdown
Down.
period. Even when people are not going out, the crime rate has increased. Why? Because the police is not keeping a good check. पुलिस को लगता है कि अभी कम लोग हैं, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, हम बैठे हुए हैं. But they should have been patrolled around the city and checked on people who needed help and supported them. And in the last few weeks, there have been many rape cases. So in that thing also, why are we not providing them a strict punishments? Why are they just put to jail for some days और फिर bail मिल गई और चले गए? इतना क्यों डिले होता है इन चीजों के लिए? गवर्नमेंट उस पर कुछ क्यों नहीं कर रही है? उनकी इतनी हिम्मत क्यों बढ़ती है?
Yes, please settle
Sir,
down now.
now,
Sir, I would like to speak
Yes,
on.
yes.
I would like to speak on one more
Yes,
point. I would
now-
like to speak about the. I would like to speak. I would like
Yes,
to.
yes, now Manya. Yes, quickly. You have 1 minute. Yes, quickly, fast.
Better rebound. I had earlier asked during my speech how the supporting team is and still, but the very foundation of this nation is crumbling apart with the MSME sector falling drastically. I have still not received an answer to that, and I request the supporting team to answer.
Your
Okay,
voice
okay.
is so
Yes.
low.
Your voice was not clear.
We will
I'm
come.
sorry.
Yes, please settle down. We will come back to her.
Sir, can I get
Yes,
a 30
yes,
seconds
now
to cover
Shreya.
up?
Yes, Shreya,
Sir,
you
can I get 30
have 1
seconds?
minute quickly. Yes. You
सर
want
मैं
to?
ओजस अपूर्वा के बीच में नहीं बोल रही थी, ये भी
Yes.
मेरे बीच में ना
Yes,
बोले.
yes, yes.
अब बता दूं, अपूर्वा ने बोला था जो मर गए उनका क्या. For your kind information, government ने already 72 centers across the country for diagnosis and treatment of COVID-19 कर चुके हैं and 20,000 plus railways को भी isolation wards में कर दिया है. Under a special provision, the government has already announced that individual could come now and withdraw 3 months salary from Employees Provident Fund (EPF). 3 months salary. I think Ojas was questioning this only a few minutes ago. Account amid the coronavirus crisis, the EPF withdrawals have been exempt from the service charge. Last month, our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala. Sir, मैं इनके बीच में नहीं बोली थी.
Yes,
Apurva,
yes. Please
Still
continue.
time
Yes,
is left.
Shreya. Yes, Shreya, continue.
Last month, our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has already announced a relief package worth rupees 1.70 lakh crore in the wake of the COVID-19 outbreak. ये अपूर्वा ने थोड़ी देर पहले बोल रहा था जो बेरोजगार हो गए हैं,
Sir,
अनएम्प्लॉयड
time
हो गए.
over. Sir, time over.
बाद में हुआ.
Yes.
वो तो बाद में हुआ.
Sir,
पहले
can I
का
get
क्या?
sir, can I
जो
get a 1 minute
already
to cover
हो
up with my
चुका है,
points?
उसको तो आप
Sir, can I get
change
1
नहीं
minute?
Do
to
you
cover
Yes,
up?
yes, yes.
Audible now?
Do you
Yes,
know
yes.
the surface
और
area
अभी
of
जो और अभी जो सिमरन ने पॉइंट कहा था कि जितने हॉस्पिटल्स है सब हेल्प कर रहे हैं, डॉक्टर्स जो इतने जो बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स है जिनके बहुत ज्यादा नाम है वो भी तो पेशेंट्स को लूट रहे हैं ना कि आपको ये है आपका वो है करके उतने पैसे ले रहे हैं, जिनके पास पैसे नहीं है आप उसका क्या जवाब दोगे? एंड देन दे आर सेइंग कि यही अमाउंट है, बट ये तो नहीं हो
क्या
सकता
बात
है।
है।
अभी तो लॉकडाउन है तो वो लूट रहे हैं जितना मन कर रहा है, बट अभी जिनके पास पैसे नहीं है वो कहाँ से लाएंगे पैसे? उन्हें कंपनी से भी सैलरी नहीं मिल रही
तो
है।
आप सुनिए ना, अभी तो आपको जवाब दिया, कहाँ से लाएंगे पैसे? देयर आर ऑलरेडी मेनी पैकेज हैव बीन रिलीज्ड एंड इंडिया इज अ वास्ट कंट्री। प्लीज
जितने भी फालतू के पैकेजेस हैं आपको
Yes,
हर चीज
now,
gradually
yes,
आएगा।
yes, please settle down now. Yes,
लोग
now
हैं,
I
वोट
am,
करने के लिए
मुझे
now
जिसकी
you
बात पे एक
have,
बात बोलना था।
yes, Dhruv Agarwal, now you have 2 minutes
Sir, can I
quickly.
get- sir,
Yes,
can I get
yes,
1 minute
now,
to cover
yes,
up?
yes, yes, yes.
No,
Now,
no.
Dhruv Agarwal,
now.
Dhruv Agarwal, your voice is not coming. Yes, please switch it on. Yes, everybody. Yes, Dhruv Agarwal. Yes, quickly, cover your point, fast.
सर एक गवर्नमेंट तो कुछ कर नहीं रही है। जब देखो ये लोग कह रहे हैं हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, कभी हाथ उठा के दिखाया था देखो हमने क्या कर दिया, कभी पीछे से गवर्नमेंट बोले हम कर रहे हैं यार, ये लोग तो बैठे हुए आराम से।
baseless allegation, that's a baseless allegation।
Statistics. Dhruv Agarwal, statistics. Look at the
Yes, Dhruv
statistics
Agarwal,
and then
continue. Yes,
we
please,
have written proof about it.
yes, yes, Dhruv Agarwal, quickly.
Can you show us the written?
Yes, Dhruv Agarwal, continue. Yes, Dhruv Agarwal, continue.
चैट पे लिख रहा है इतने पैसे में इतना ही मिलेगा।
Yes, Dhruv
ऐसा तो
Agarwal.
नहीं है।
Dhruv
अरे
Agarwal,
यार,
please,
विदुषी
please.
recording चल रही है।
Yes, yes, Dhruv Agarwal, please continue. Yes, please,
सर
Dhruv
जब
Agarwal.
देखो ये लोग कहते हैं हमने देखो आज क्या करा है, प्लीज हमें वोट करना, ये लोग हमेशा बढ़ावा देते हैं कि भैया हमें ही वोट करना है। कभी ऐसे जब देखो भीख मांगते रहे भैया हमें वोट दो, हम बहुत कुछ करेंगे।
Don't you say that? Don't you ask
Yes,
इसने बहुत अच्छा यूज नहीं करा।
Don't
प्लीज
use
म्यूट
such
द,
words. Yes,
प्लीज
yes, Dhruv
म्यूट,
Agarwal.
Baseless
It is
allegations.
going
Baseless
on recording.
allegations.
Dhruv Agarwal,
Nice.
your statement can't be recorded. Yes,
Mute
please
him right
continue.
now.
Yes, yes, it is going off the record. Yes, Dhruv Agarwal, continue.
Sir,
Yes,
am I
yes.
audible? I would like
You can't
to...
say yes, yes. Quickly, Dhruv Agarwal. Is it done? Yes, Dhruv Agarwal.
Sir, can I get sir, can I
Yes.
get 1 minute to cover up? Sir,
One
can I get
second.
1 minute to cover up?
Yes, Apurva, you are. Yes, you have 2 minutes. Quickly, cover your point. Yes, quickly. Quickly.
अगर जितने पैसे सबको दिए हैं, बट अगर किसी फैमिली के जो ऑलरेडी जो पैसे कमाता है उसी को कोई डिजीज हो गई या वो ही नहीं कर पा रहा तो वो पैसे कहाँ से लाएंगे?
तो जी मेरा थर्ड पॉइंट यही था कि गवर्नमेंट हैज ऑलरेडी रिलीज 50 लाख हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस।
कब किया? बहुत टाइम बाद ना। पहले जो पेशेंट्स ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं
6 months पहले ही हो गया था। मैम प्लीज रेफर गूगल। 6 months, आई एम सेइंग 6 months।
एक महीने क्या करते रहे तुम लोग?
started in March and I guess before that.
मार्च में कितने केसेस थे ध्रुव बताना? डू यू
मार्च में
नो?
होंगे। हाँ पता थे।
भाई
हाँ, बताइए।
लॉकडाउन
दो
के
या
पहले
फिर चार ऐसे करके चेन बढ़ती गई।
केसेस बढ़ गए ना। आप क्या बोलोगे? आप ये तो बोल ही नहीं सकते केसेस।
हमारे पास तो एग्जैक्ट नंबर भी नहीं है कितने पेशेंट
बट
थे।
आपको ये भी तो देखना पड़ेगा ना, पर ये भी तो देखना पड़ेगा ना कि इनिशियल स्टेज पे इंडिया वाज एट द लोएस्ट लेवल।
अरे हमें
फाइनल स्टेट में क्या हुआ?
अपने लोगों से
अगर इनिशियल स्टेट में लोएस्ट लेवल था तो फाइनल
से
स्टेट
क्या
क्या
कर दिया
हुआ?
तुमने?
नहीं करते तो इकोनॉमिक
हमें तो
फाइनल स्टेटमेंट इज दैट टू इंप्रूव।
सिमरन
So
सर
can I get a 1 minute to cover up with the points?
कि हमें ये फर्क ही नहीं पड़ना चाहिए लोएस्ट पे या फिर हाईएस्ट
Sir.
पे। हमें अपने पेशेंट का ध्यान रखना है कि वो सही हो रहे हैं या फिर
Yes,
सही नहीं है।
now, yes, closing statement from the Shreya. Yes, closing
Sir, can I get
statement.
1 minute?
Yes.
सर
सर
One second. Yes.
ओके
Shreya.
नाउ बस बहुत हो गया।
Yes,
ओके ऑपोजिशन के भी थे, बट आई थिंक इंडिया इज अ वेरी वास्ट कंट्री, तो हर चेंज ग्रेजुअली होगा एंड गवर्नमेंट इज टेकिंग ऑल द नेसेसरी स्टेप्स।
कितना ग्रेजुअली होगा? 7 months are already
बहुत
gone.
टाइम ले रहा है सर।
Yes,
तो स्टेप्स भी बहुत ही हुए हैं, अब नो डिबेट, इनको म्यूट
Yes.
करें।
Yes.
Exactly.
Sir, can I get 1 minute to
Yes,
cover up?
yes,
बहुत हो
Ojas.
गया।
Yes,
Sir,
yes,
can I
Ojas.
Thank
1
you
minute.
everyone for
Yes.
joining।
Yes, Ojas.
Yes.
Just 1 minute.
Yes,
Yes, 1 minute.
The
Yes, Ojas. Quickly. Yes,
The
quickly.
third point I wanted to cover was media. Why are the
Yes.
media forced to like press the topics like unemployment and all these rapes and all these problems which are related to government? Why are they asked to only like बढ़ावा देने को उसको, जैसे सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का केस या फिर ड्रग सिंडिकेट, सिर्फ ये चीजें बढ़ावा क्यों दी
Exactly.
जा रही है?
You are going baseless.
Excuse me,
All the
excuse me.
news
Why
channels,
it's not
all
just
the news
it's not, please let
channels
me
have
speak.
Sir,
not,
Let me
speak.
speak.
have not
Not
been
under
stopped.
government.
All
Let me
the
speak.
news channels have
Now the
not
fourth,
been
now the
stopped.
fourth point
Just
of
because
now the
a
fourth point I
single,
wanted
just
to
because
refer
a
to was
single news channel is
now the
closed, does
now the
not mean
fourth
that
point
the
I
whole
wanted to
news
refer
channel,
to.
whole media is
Sir.
closed.
Now the fourth point of
Sir.
point I wanted to refer
Yes,
was
yes,
why
yes.
was
Now,
why
yes,
was
Aaron.
last year
Sir, last
free
point.
academic year?
Yes,
Sir, last
now,
point. Sir,
yes,
just
yes.
30 seconds.
Yes.
Sir,
Now
30
the fourth
seconds. Sir,
point I
last
wanted to
point.
refer was why this year was
Yes.
not
30
referred to
seconds,
as
sir, last
free
point.
academic year.
Yes, now
Sir.
we had
Sir,
a great
एक minute.
discussion. We had a great
Sir,
discussion.
last
And
point.
yes,
Sir, 30 seconds.
सर
yes.
मेरा
Just
पॉइंट
one
चल
last
रहा है
question.
सर
Sir,
Sir,
मुझे
last.
भी
30 सेकंड सर
Sir,
Sir, bus 30
सेकंड
just
ओनली
30
सर
seconds.
10
Sir,
सेकंड सर 10
Sir,
सेकंड
One
just
second.
30
सारे
seconds.
एक एक घंटा लेगा
Please,
20 seconds.
please settle down,
सर
everybody.
10 सेकंड
Yes, yes, yes. Please keep quiet. Yes, Dhruv Agarwal. Yes, you have 10 seconds. Quickly, quickly.
Sir, I
Dhruv,
asked for 30 seconds.
सर
Dhruv
I asked for
Agarwal.
10 seconds sir I
yes,
asked
quickly,
for
quickly,
10 seconds.
quickly.
So I was referring to why was this year not referred to as free academic year? Like the students are not getting the level of education they should have been got, and all the syllabus has been deducted. हम पढ़ क्या रहे हैं? हम इस साल को पढ़ के क्या कर रहे हैं? हम बस अगली क्लास में पास हो जाएंगे, आगे जो हमें 11th में या हमारे कंपटीशन में काम होना है, we have skipped all that. तो हमें फायदा क्या है इस ईयर को? अगर हम फ्री एकेडमिक ईयर बता देते, जो जितने भी पेरेंट्स फालतू में इतनी हाई फीसेस पे कर रहे हैं स्कूल्स को, वो हमारा एक तक से पेरेंट्स के
वेस्ट है
लिए एक लॉस कम होता, प्लस फिर हमारा जितने भी ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस
You
और इस सब के
mean to
फैकल्टी
declare a whole moratorium for a whole year? What about the medical students you were telling earlier? What about the medical students you were talking earlier? Would they get employed? Unemployment increase.
Yes, yes,
please.
yes. Yes,
जितने भी
Ojas, yes.
जितने भी लोग हैं जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की वजह से जिनको लाइक आई सीट प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है, और a friend of mine has got a chronic back pain because of sitting on computer for a long time. So why are these things are not getting referred?
Or just that's why teachers recommend 20-20-20 cycles. You don't follow that.
KG class
Don't you?
Yes, yes, continue. Yes,
students are getting
please,
online classes.
please,
I mean, what
yes.
is the base of
Ojas.
that? KG class के student को तुम लैपटॉप के सामने
to
बिठा
more
रहे हो, तो क्या है?
unemployment.
Yes.
Can you tell us?
What
First
about
class,
the
second
teachers
class
or
के बच्चे को
teachers?
तुम लैपटॉप के सामने बिठा रहे हो, उन्हें
Please
सीखने को क्या
allow
मिल
me
रहा है?
20
What
seconds.
about
फायदा
the
क्या उस
teachers or
एजुकेशन का
teachers?
जिस
They will
एजुकेशन
also
Okay,
get
if
Yes.
the whole
Now,
if the whole education system
we
would be
have
shut off,
1 minute.
if the
We
whole
have
education
1 second.
system would
1
shut,
second. We have only
Sir.
2 minutes. 2 minutes for this session only. We have only
Sir,
2 minutes. Yes. Now, Aaron. Yes. Do
Sir,
you have something to say? Yes, Aaron.
Sir,
Aaron.
तुम शुदा बच्चे.
तब मुझे ओजस
Yes,
के
Shreyas.
Sir, I want to say
कहना
Shreyas.
था.
Just
Sir,
please follow 20-20
Yes.
cycles.
Sir, I want just
Okay.
last
I want
30
to give
So
the
seconds.
now
reply
we
to
have
Ojas.
Please do.
1 second. We had the
Sir,
great
I just
discussion.
want.
20 seconds
सर मुझे ओजस को
Sir,
रिप्लाई
sir,
करना था.
Sir,
Yes,
Sir,
it
I
will be
just
taken
want to-
later.
भाग जाऊंगा,
Yes,
ऐसे मत करो.
yes, yes. We
Sir,
had
last 30
great
seconds.
discussion. Yes, people spoke very well. Yes, so now we will have our next session soon.
Sir,
Soon.
last point
Yes.
कहना है sir बस.
Yes, 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 yes.
सर
Yes.
मुझे भी एक लास्ट पॉइंट कहना है.
सर सबको लास्ट
it will
पॉइंट
be-
करना है.
सर मैं पूछ सकती हूँ सर?
Yes, yes, Manya. कोई closing statement जल्दी से quickly.
Sir,
10
मेरे को
second.
कहनी.
10
Sir, I
second.
would like to state that all right, the government has put up initiatives, but still major sectors such as the MSME sector and various other sectors have not been acted upon. These are the major backbone and foundational structures of India. When these themselves are crumbling apart, India cannot remain stand still. India is a building laying upon these foundations. These foundations are crumbling apart, the building won't be able to stand. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Now closing statement. Yes, Simran. Closing statement quickly.
Sir,
10
no
seconds.
statement they have.
Okay, okay.
They
Yes,
don't
yes.
have anything to say.
Yes, ठीक है. Okay. Yes, Vidushi, closing statement quickly.
Ruling
कोई
party
कुछ
is
बोल
not
ही नहीं
working.
पा
Sir,
रहा
am I
था.
saying?
Yes, 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 Shreya, quickly. Closing statement, 10 seconds only. Yes.
So we conclude there is no ending of this debate as everyone has their own opinions. 5 उंगलियां
Excuses.
बराबर नहीं होती.
Excuses.
सबके अलग-अलग opinions and governments are taking steps. Thank you for joining everyone.
Yes. So guys, yes. So I am ending the
Opposition
session.
party.
Yes,
हमें भी
yes, yes.
बोलना
You
है.
people spoke very well. Yes.